HSE students, what is CMAS?
CMAS is it's like the TCAP for English and math. We take the CMAS for science. So it's the Colorado Measure of Academic Standards for science.
Okay, and when does it start?
We start next Thursday, April 17th for 8th grade.
And why do we do that?
It's to show growth of what you know about science and social studies for 7th grade over time.
So as far as CMAS goes, this is the first year we've done it. So I really have no idea to tell you what to expect, because number one, I don't know what to expect. Number two, this is where we're learning, and so it will probably look very different next year than it looks this year. Just like any test you take, whether it's TCAP, CMAS, or any kind of standardized test, you need to make sure that you eat well, make sure that you have a good night's sleep, and make sure that you're thinking about the test and being focused on the test and not thinking about what you're doing at the weekend or anything else. Really, they are set up to measure your success. So I think as long as you are prepared mentally, then you'll be fine.
What do you expect from your students in CMAS? Well, I think what I expect from my students during CMAS is similar to what we expect of students during TCAP. So I really want my students to all be here, and I want them to be well rested and focused. So really just trying your best. This is a new test for all of us, so just give it your best. That's all we can ask from you.
Why are we doing this?
This is a new test that's required by the state to measure student success on social studies standards. So it's given to all 7th graders across the state of Colorado as a new way to make sure our students are achieving our 7th grade social studies standards.
Will this affect your grade?
It doesn't affect your grade in geography class specifically. It's like many of the other standardized tests that you guys take, where we use it to measure how well you're doing overall at your grade level. So it won't impact your geography class directly, but we do use this information to see how well you are meeting grade level expectations.
And one more question.
Yes.
Do these tests have anything to do with us not doing science and geography tests and TCAPs?
TCAP currently doesn't test geography or science. It's not part of their everything that they include. CMAS includes social studies at the 7th grade level and science at the 8th grade level, and that will continue on for you guys next year, and year after and year after. And next year, TCAP will turn into something called PARC, where you will still be tested on your math, writing, and reading standards.
On the computers?
Yep, on the computers.
What should we expect as 6th graders for CMAS?
Well, for CMAS, you will expect that you are going to be taking your science test in 8th grade and then a social studies test in 7th grade. So in addition to your regular language arts and math tests that are going to be computer-based next year, you're also going to be needing to prepare for a science and social studies in 7th and 8th grade.